In this video, I'm going to show you a relatively easy section of the business plan, which is the previous funding and investor ownership, and also how to deal with sensitive financial information in your business plan. So first of all, let's just go over this section. You see that in my business, I don't have any investors. I'm the sole owner. I own 100% of it. These are just example lines here. If we look at, maybe you have an investor and he owns 20% of the business for a 50% investment, which is a fifth of the business, which makes the business valued at $250,000. Now, you might also have a loan and you want to mention how much the loan is and what the interest rate and if it's paid or how much is not paid and all that. Now, this is sensitive financial information. There are other parts of your business plan that have sensitive financial information, like revenue figures, things like that. You don't want to show that to everybody. So for sensitive financial information, what you can do there is copy a section like this, or a section like your balance sheet and your profitability and all these financial numbers that you don't want to show to just anybody. And what you would want to do is create something called an appendix. It's just at the bottom of the business plan, call that an appendix. And you can easily put that in and take that out, put that in and take that out. If you're showing this to investors or people in the bank who need to look at the finances, you put that information in the appendix back in. If you're giving it to some random Joe from the street or potential employee or your team or somebody that doesn't need to know the finances, then you just take the appendix out. They don't have the deep finances, which are private information, but they still have the rest of the business plan. So this is how you talk about your funding and other sensitive financial information and use the appendix of the business plan for privacy.